Well, I decided to try to design and 3D print a duct fan. I made a really small one because I have the 0.2 millimeter nozzle attached to my Ender 3. So I didn't want to spend forever printing it. It was designed to be rubber band powered. And let me turn down the volume. Jesus Christ. Anyways, it's not exactly successful. Shortcomings in its design. You know, I didn't spend too much time on it, but I wanted to fool around with Tinkercad and see what I could create. And you know, perhaps this is just the first step. This is the first one I've designed on a, you know, for a 3D printer. Duct fan. You know, I think where I went wrong is I put a really heavy band on it, and I twisted it up, and I got it spinning really fast, and I think I may have pulled the pin loose of the impeller. So there's some redesign needed there, but I guess I'll blow into the back of it, spin it up for y'all to see I guess how efficient this thing is. I mean, it's not meant to be a wind turbine, but you know, nonetheless, if you're gonna spin it up, the best way is to blow in through the back. So yeah, let's see what it does. That's low wind. Trying to blow out an angle so that y'all could see it spin, but some work to be done, you know. Probably spent about 40 minutes designing this, so yeah, stuff to be learned.